G'day guys, my name is Adam and this is my 2022 SR5 Hilux. I'm going to go through some of the accessories that I've installed on this vehicle. Alright guys, so we're going to start off at the front. Starting, I've got the Arma GT bar. I've also got the Arma 9-inch phantom lights with a 21-inch light bar. I've got the Arma recovery points on the front bash plate with a 3-piece custom off-road bash plate, all painted a custom blue. And I can't forget guys, the Arma 12,000 pound winch. Next we've got the Fat Bars 3-inch black powder coated Snorkel. These things are beautiful, they give out good sound, but if you don't like a lot of sound, I wouldn't recommend it. Alright guys, up next we've got the roller Titan tray. I've got the 1200 by 1200 with the 41-inch Pro light bar from Steady. Guys, this light bar is amazing. On the rack guys, I've got the Kalahari 2m by 2.5m awning. And on the other side, I've got the Kalahari camp shower. Alright guys, so for the suspension I went the Iman Foam Sol Pros to carry the load. So for the rear I've got 3 to 500 constant, just to carry the weight of the canopy. For the front, I've got the suspension rated for the bull bar and winch, just to carry the weight. I went for the custom blue painted springs and got the Iman up control arms in there. To level out the CVs, I've got the Arma diff drop kit in there. For the wheels, I went for a 17-inch black rock rim with the 0 offset. And for the tyres, I went for a 33-inch all-terrain. For the side protection, I went the Arma Rock Slider side steps. What I love about these is that they have a twin tube and they're side airbag compatible. For the top of my canopy, I went for the Kalahari 270 awning with a King's rooftop tent. Now this is where the magic happens. So for my 12-volt setup, I went for 200 amp hour lithium battery. I also went for the Arma 3000 watt inverter, power box up here, and the Radar 50 amp DC to DC. One thing I love about this is you cannot see a wire, and that's thanks to the team at Aussie OffRoad. Alright guys, if you like any of the accessories on my car, use a vehicle search at aussieoffroad.com.au, put it in your car so you can get your car looking like mine.